Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about impaired insight is found in. Insight is impaired in insight is present in neurotic disorders, whereas insight is absent in psychotic disorders. Psychotic disorders mainly include mania, schizophrenia, and depression, whereas neurotic disorders include anxiety, obsessive compulsive disorder, then somatoform disorders. All of them are neurotic disorders. So here impaired insight is seen in acute psychosis and schizophrenia, whereas in anxiety and obsessive compulsive disorder insight is present. Thank you, and thank you for watching.